tells me the mother side, I listen to him. You know go? Me I listen to him and want to know.
That picture, look on that picture here. You see, if you notice, it's a hairstyle. You see, because I take out the rasta.
Different hairstyle.
Yeah, but
different one now. The one that come down like umbrella. That one.
Are the same hairstylist?
No, she take it when you come down like umbrella. You did your ear so. But anyways, if we go so then TikTok police, what make you not just give her things that make she go on? Cause she said she done right. Why you go all her back?
Like this?
No, me say like umbrella man.
He's a ear maker, he's a hairstylist who I love. You see, I want them to go to
the one what you love.
I'm going to tell her if you plait up my ear, so. The ear, when they come down, so, is a hairstyle I ever put in. All from take out the rasta till now, I always put in the hairstyle. You see, because my ear not tall enough for make certain style look good.
But what makes you just get her things the man done?
Alright, so this morning, she click her live and she start disrespect me, disrespect my place and everything. So I come out and I lock my door and I realize I have her passport and her thing them inside. And I go back up at the house a while ago and I take them out and I put them outside. Me nah let her back in my house. You see the piece of house where she a call shop, me nah blood clot let her back in there. God could have come. Remember that.
Alright, one thing me have to do
is let her back in there. Give me a like that. Me a better like.
On to be humble, you know. On to be humble. I just think things more just want to hear some mommy get her things in. That is it. Just want to hear say she get her things in. That is it. But him too bright for too because the girl show evidence. Me say he just saw go come, you know. I could have shown the evidence, you know. But he text the girl and say, so what he say when he text the girl? He must say what kind of gift him to get for Annie. And the girl say, member say the pop. Me not have a picture of them, you know. He say member say you have one limit or something. So she try to say you depend on look how balance this. So if you know where you try to get her because she a go get jealous. So that the girl did that try to say. And next now the girl say when you gonna let Annie and come over, because I want to do my nails, I want to do my ear, my birthday I come up. What? Oh, he say Annie, the girl say Annie I want and he say Annie and money. You know funny, you know, but yet still mommy need to come home, me not tell no lie. And she me come up about, you know, that him reach to she me come about. Tell her say me a call her. Tell her say me a call her. Meka is beautiful. Thank you so much. God. She the boy shop black. She a player. Oh, she a play match with Jaden. Talk to her. Meka, may I try? I couldn't talk to her through comment section because you know I spam up the comment section as I come live. I need her to come home. I need she get her passport, her clothes. I don't want she left no clothes there. You see like such person go in there and click. Me no want them click and have nothing with her. Because you see man, they might have a thing. So now more she passport, more everything what she carry down there. And that is it. And me thank God say no. Thank God say never give me her bank card because I would have left down there. I'm going to get you them. You put them outside.
I'm going to them. I can't hear. You can hear me?
Yeah, me a hear you.
Yeah, where you going?
He say he might go get your things them. You put them outside.
Annie no want to go home, you know?
No, me go home, Jaden.
Boy,
I go home. You
go in
can't
the
boy can't put on the
back in the shop. You say you say a shop. You take up your phone this morning and want me live and say a shop.
So I lie, Mattel. Everybody know I lie, Mattel.
And you're not going away.
Everybody knows say I lie my tell. Everybody knows say I lie my tell. And yes, I shop. I'm come out time shop. I'm in a sell me good.
But you see, man, you can't let no clothes or nothing no run certain man, you know.
Yeah, thank you guys. Him too lie. No, but him lock up my things them did they, Meka. Him have my things them and lock the door did they. You understand? So him put all my things them and I make no boy disrespect me. You get me?
But he say a long time something, but on a long time something, because the girl after Annie and one the girls and Nixie, he say Annie and money. Annie and money.
Annie, remember some Rosalie did a class, you know. See how the class are now.
Jaden left my friend alone.
Jaden? I'm not Rosalie. I'm not Rosalie.
This him, Fatty. This him.
Oh, Claude, sorry. Me never know. I can't
That's
see
your
him.
two-color face.
Eh?
That's your two-color.
Where's the Nakisha?
It's your two-color rotted face, Jaden.
You see a 5 body?
Jaden, BSL. No.
How can I wig that? You say a 6 wife or 2?
Jaden.
All right.
Wait, Jesus.
All right. Meka, what's up, Meka?
Nothing.
No good?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Don't take the program here.
Guys, double tap, guys.
Mommy, I go for your things then?
I'm not going back up there unless somebody drop me up there. I'm not go back up there, so. You say me go back, me don't like go back. Me just want somebody.
I this man about in shop, you know. He said I go back in that shop.
When me I go back in the shop there for you know see me rent Airbnb. Why should I stay in that shop?
Me swear when I did that video, me think it's a film place and until they tell me say no.
No, me not going back in there, so I will never go back to this. So no boy can tell me come out and no place. You have no place to come tell me that. Move from your so and go. A girl end up posting some Meka, and you what me I tell?
No, me watch your live last night. Me have a screenshot them.
You don't know say yesterday I left the yard and go down at the girl. And
Me have a screenshot and many people them who are watching place, you know.
Don't tell me for stop. Because him go down there and him go down there go buy the girl gift. All of the message them leak out per line where the girl come out and put out everything. The girl asks him a question. So if me are your woman, who is Annie? Him say Annie, I'm money. And that him say.
And your money bag. That
Yeah.
Give me one Anna out there. Catch a speak. Yo.
Guys, focus. Guys, we can get an anna and one donut. Guys,
what's up?
There are 200 people in the house, you know.
Why is it Annie and money?
Annie,
Yes.
I'm money. And that him say. The
2.6K,
girl say,
guys,
who
come
is
on.
me? If me are your woman, who is Annie? Him say Annie is my money.
Oh, so I ATM machine.
Yeah. So
Double
go
guys.
Guys, when you catch your speed, guys, shoot pan the team.
Oh,
Come on, guys. We have some guys. Come on, guys.
One money gone, guys.
Thank you,
I want
baby.
kickers. You call like you couldn't manager when you put in.
Double.
Guys, let me push up a score. We don't catch his speed.
Come on, guys.
Guys, focus now.
Want some for drink.
One money gone, guys. One money gone.
Nobody fight, nobody, you know.
Go
Guys,
on. After them the word fighting over. Beg you look at money and moms go buy some.
Annie, you sure Anna honey say?
No, it's no honey. It's money.
Money.
Make me feel like a honey you ain't want to say honey. And because him kinda don't make him say money.
So, mommy, what can I give him by you?
Soon come. Who said that? I fight you. Who said that? I'm going breakfast. I'm fight you for that.
1,500 I give him love by you know.
So Rosalie, what going on?
Yeah, man. You good?
You man never send a one, you know, friggin' lie.
Me have you up doing, me send a couple requests and you decline, me have you up.
You have me?
Yeah, man.
I wish me could have said me have you, but you too, alright, make it up.
Guys, team, let me push up the score, guys. Let me push up the score, team. Guys, double tap. Everybody just sit down, guys. Oh, God, man. Let me push up the score. Guys, we have a money gun.
Come on, guys, let's go.
You know, so me feel like a honey dog with one say.
I know.
Guys, don't
I
focus.
don't know mistake.
Guys, you can't get
mistake.
I don't know
money.
mistake.
Jaden, it's not a mistake. Me not lie to you. Me see everything.
Come on, guys, we need a girl.
See everything. And when him
One
come up
money gun,
today,
guys.
he didn't act suspicious, bad. Like you could have know. You know when somebody go do something and them a friend you up. I saw him a friend me up, Jaden. I mean, know say something doesn't right because you see, first time when me and him link up, him
Push up the
different
score,
from the
guys.
second time. You understand?
Oh,
Him go on.
You can't come in your yard.
Him go on. We're good. Guys, double tap. Meka, me
Money and
come
use right time. Me want a woman for ATM.
Why not you safe in you better come off on a live?
No, me go wake me and come on, Batman. Just go and play with Jay. Play that one here. Me I come up, Batman. Me not come down off a live. Me I stay up and live, but me I go plug in the phone and next me come back up. Yeah? We play that one.
Where you go plug in your phone?
Me I plug in up at ear just a place.
I trust nobody in it. It's just not a store.
Me I hear say, you don't have no teeth. You don't have no teeth.
Jesus shalom. This is boy no
Yeah,
fatty.
talk.
You must say you don't have no teeth. You must say no comments. Like your mouth.
Already, eh? There's small Jaden. Baby teeth.
How you look so?
How?
You have 6 wife?
Not anymore.
I want him fatty. What him with you and him?
Why 6?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, I understand. Let me butt out. Guys, don't focus.
6 is a dangerous boy, no?
Guys, come on, a team. Focus, Strad. Focus.
So how long you and him did there?
2 months.
You know the things?
Jaden, I don't want to go down into that.
Same thing with me. I don't want to go
Father,
to
one father. Sex is thanks to the rules.
So you eat for a morning?
Yeah.
Guys, you can't push up his score for me, please.
Me know the go say yes.
I just don't drink one nice plate of soup.
Eh?
Push up his score.
Yeah.
Where's your eaten burger? Where's it?
Hello.
Alright.
Me not eat
Guys,
too
you can't
much.
get a money gun. Me can't get a money gun.
You not eat so much?
No.
What a
Me
lie.
can't compete with Rose.
No, that's a lie. What do you mean you not eat so much? Why you tell lying at early morning?
I true, Jaden.
Guys, push up his score. Push up his score. Me need a money gun. Anybody in the chat, me can't get a money gun.
You know you lie?
2 away.
It's a wig that?
Yeah.
What I get a TikTok cheer?
I rebuke it. I send it back to the sender. No, thank you. No. No.
One iron one, you know?
Guys, me can't get 8 rose chat. Everybody in the chat, send a rose. Send
Come
a
on,
rose,
my team.
everybody
Come
in
on,
the
my
chat.
team.
Hello. Me hear about that chair situation. Me not in it.
Everybody who's
Me not
young in
in
the
it.
chat.
Me have to Oliver it down before.
I love
And
Oliver.
plead the blood.
I love Oliver.
Me know say you have
Guys,
Oliver.
we can't come on. Thank you for the rose. Come on, guys. Shoot one chip for me, please. Guys, we can't get a money gun.
Me have couple next thing to what you love to, you know. Yeah, man. Upon the live with them, me know so when me show them, you go get dramatized, so we can't too show them, you know.
Dramatized.
Guys, funny chip.
Yeah,
Funny
man.
chip.
Today, yesterday, him got a girl and go buy the girl gift. I saw him walk around and talk about him love everybody and how him in love. Yeah, that him do. Fame love spread like a wildfire. Sorry this happened to you. Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry when I put myself in the position. Just make sure say you did it for me. Don't be sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm glad it happened. I go up on a body vacation and it over now. I'm not crying. I'm not lie. A first nigga, I know me not go ball over. A first nigga. No water now go come out of my eye for him. Blur. Mm-mm.
Why is it up on the live? No. But tonight,
Don't know if you big time.
Last time we had the same party. And me that drive behind him.
Me I say, oh, this looks so. You understand? And the girl come out and show the gift and everything. You get and everything. You get me text and everything. You know, for seat pan line. Right? Dirty blood clot TikTok police can't style me because TikTok police are no body. It might no blood clot body. Broke no blood clot. He can't style me. He can't style me. I have nothing for nobody style. And then the drunk crab no blood clot, nothing for nobody style. I come talk about Guyard. When we did it yesterday to blood clot, did you not talk about Guyard? No man fuck no blood clot. You fuck yourself with me. You hear? Oh. Yeah. No, it was a plan. Let me tell you no, it was a plan from all along. The plan was because him end up never get for where call it, he want come back pan top. So I was him ticket meal. Me did I meal for him go pan top. You understand? Yeah. Look here. Look here. Look here. Go down at the other girl, go give the other catty her birthday gift and whatever. Everything come out per line. And I say it. Right? Me didn't go left yesterday, you know. Right? And this man make sure say me not left yesterday, you know. And me get up now and me say, brother, me dey on the live, you know. Alright, me talk to me people, me not say nothing, you know. And this man I come style me, I come talk about me for come out and place, you know. Brother, when this man give me the money make me left. You know. Brother, when this man give me the money make me left. Clot body, you know nobody? I wonder if I host that. Yo, make him give me money, make me go my yard. I want money for go my yard, brother. Go my yard. I want money for go my yard, brother. Yeah, blood clot, no, because house that house look on you. You stink no blood clot. Fuck yourself with me. This a blood clot house, you come talk about house. I rent blood clot B&B. You come style blood clot people. That a car, piece of dirty blood clot, something the way you drive a car. So you beg me my money about to fix car, me make sure no say me not have blood clot give you. Oh, me not give you. Style blood clot woman, your man gonna wish you wash you like I me no know if you say. Oh, me get my things them. Me get my things them. You think say me no blood clot sensible? I come beg money for come do this. I come talk about want money for fix car. Eh? You think like what? From yesterday, me pick him up, you know. Me say from yesterday, me pick up everything. Me pick up it from before yesterday. You understand me? Me no come here so me no say nothing to no. Drunk come talk about Guyard. That shit this a yard. Yeah, boy, better be come give me my things, you know, because if ever raise you not remember me tell you, you're sorry. Oh. The things them in our house, me want them. Let me say me can open that door, yeah. Let me say me can open that blood clot door, yeah. So that shit lock the door, man. After that dirty boy, man, the boy lock up me clothes them in our house, you know, Father God, me hate that nigga, yeah, you know, me hate that nigga, yeah, you fuck. Me hate that boy, yeah, me God know me hate him. If you ever make me whole of my vengeance turn towards you, the man lock me lick off that piece of door, yeah, you know. Boy, you want money for fix car and crash it blood clot last night. You fucker, you. Bang out the piece of old car. I don't know if a car that look like a Herbie. Look like a Herbie. But what my clothes them? Show man. Yo, I lock this idiot lock the door with my things them in night, you know. I know what I come up here for. I swear to God, I don't know what I come here for. And now come off. See there. I kick you, I go kick it in. Instead, I'd come out. I just want my things them for go. I have on some clothes for my body. I just want my things them. I say yesterday this look nasty magic I come about him. I beg my money for license and insure car. I look on him from head to toe because I wonder who him attack. You understand me? This look dirty, I don't know what to say. Because me end up that them send the message them come give me from the girl. Yesterday him left and go away. Him keep on a go away and me keep on a pre-mode. And when me take a sack and find out said him a go down a one girl yard. The girl send out all of the message them. You get me? Buy the girl gift yesterday. You get what me I say? No, come tell me no happy ever after no day I saw. That me I tell you. No happy ever after no day I saw. I want my clothes them. Hold on. Morning. Oh, you can't read that, so?
I know really, I did that today because she needs to cigarette.
Oh, okay.
Alita, you know what I'm this morning?
Upon this stinking boy, I can tell people for guard them yard. Wonder if I yard this look like a blood clot shop. But you say come out of my shop. Think like, you know, see a Airbnb me go. Or when I no door, me know a nice place. I come talk about guy yard. But you say come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Think like. You can't style nobody a clothes you look. That's why no found no man fuck you up. Hey boy, me not done with it. I want to left out of your turf. And next me I go chat. Me not done with you. I want to left out of your turf. You know how long me I read you up? Me tell you, you know, me is a styler. You don't know me. Me a styler. You see you use for views. Boy, me get by you for views. Remember me tell you, me take cocky, me no in love. Know that sex is sex. You can enjoy motherfucking sex. If you never know about you. My marriage. Pull the door, make me get my clothes left out of this blood clot, yeah. Like see this house. Come, hurry up, police. Let me get my clothes. This blood clot all snake, man. Guys, me not no daytime, you know. Him now pull the door. I want my things them. I want left. I want left. I want leave. I want left. Yeah, this a mix up one and don't go. Here's a mix up Ross. Guys, so much I don't care on my life. Come off. God no. There's always a TV I keep over here, so I always remember that. Tear off the wall of the front.
Oh, in bumper.
Wall of the front tear, the front part of the car. Yes,
I see it this morning.
Right there, so. But right now, I don't really care about nobody here. I care about myself. You know about self-love? You know about self-love? Love yourself? No, nothing to do with me, baby. From a boy, this me. I left the yard yesterday to buy the girl the gift. The man the girl there, and he must style me. And I just asked him a question this morning. He said me for come out of him place. You can't make me left good watch you and come and so come tell me for come out of your place. Well, me this you. I come out of your shop.
Oh, you said replace one of them? You always have to get it.
Hey, baby.
Send the light, Maka.
Listen to me, Annie. May I listen to you? Well, may I look on something there? Well, may I look? Wait, though. Want to send me a request? Oh, may I go listen to you? Where you say? Why you feel? Well, why me not go for me things? Me no want no war with nobody. You see when man dark and fool, me not go in a them lane. Me not like when man, you see him dark and fool, and me know me and him will fight. I not go hesitate from lick him. Me I tell you the truth, him a go hurt me. So you better me don't go, and somebody help me pick up my things them. You understand me? Yeah, man, him dark and fool, man. And he feel like he can't style me, Yeah, me tell you, it's so long, so tell me if you come out of your whole piece of shop. Cause shop that in a brother. You see me? Me now go back up there so. Them have to make me get my things.
Outside.
Him never did not talk and tell people yesterday when I beg, please, I beg like a baby. Him never did not tell people him not beg like a baby, please. When me tell him say I want left because I feel uncomfortable with him. But now today when we find out about the girl, now you come talk about go on in your yard. Go on in your yard. Go on in your yard.
Say Jagger.
My man friend. Oh,
Jagger and cap on man.
Jagger, where I say now, Jagger? Where I say send?
Oh, go on.
Send your thing.
Yeah, then Jay, we load everything for that.
Oh, okay.
I'm to your brother easy, sir.
Hey, move your wagwan.
What is going on here?
Yeah, I really still out in the bro.
So, where said the person said,
Tell your mother say the man friend them a come
Yes.
for her.
But may I take you fair and cut? Me no want nobody come to me. Come, me that lady give
So,
me.
mommy.
No, me I left every fucking thing. What?
Get the passport. Get the passport.
Brethren, me I left your passport. Me no want see
No,
Bridget.
no,
Me no want see none.
left your passport. Remember, say you have your things.
Go for your things, then, man. Go for
No,
your
no,
things.
no, man. As the head of the family, get a passport, man. Get a passport. As the head of the family, after Jagger, get a passport, man.
Go for your
Yeah,
things,
yeah,
then,
man.
man. Go for your things, then, boy.
Mommy, nobody can touch her, you know. Or else we just start. They're not a police station.
somebody to
They're
come.
not a police station down there.
Yeah.
Now, we'll have get banned, you know.
Oh, sorry. I didn't remember.
Not like no man chat up them blood clot.
And that if you do, make people them what did they so care guy police station and take your things them and come in your yard that easy.
Police not involved. Nobody not important. The police go involved yourself.
No, man, it's good, man.
Guys,
It's good.
then report my page.
A Jagger
My
life.
page
It's good,
report. The
it's good.
police not involved in nothing. Guys, my page get report. Me
No.
I'm here. I forgot restart.
Oh.
You have to go jump and restart.
I was say Jaden.
Meka.
Meka, say quick for say my name, man.
You know, my voice is different than ever me say that just a go.
Oh, your sister.
I lie. My sister.
So, mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Like, we don't have 1 million people over on the life. Me just want to clear the ear. You see it?
Alright.
Because a
Yeah.
company life can't talk about say me get lock up for thief.
No excuse trying to with that.
What up, push this?
For thief. Mommy, you remember the first time I got jail?
Your sister make you go jail.
Alright.
Why? Because I want to know your family history, because remember say me just foul. You see? Why?
You know, say you can't manage it.
Me I make them tell you. Me not have to tell.
No, man, me I manage now.
Well, let me tell you. Anna, me did the overseas Jaden I work for the kids them. Anna throw one big stone in my sister's school. My sister have a college. And Anna take one big stone and drop in my sister glass. She have a glass door. And Anna take a big stone and fling in it and then catch her up on the camera. Next Anna end up go hide out with Odin. And then my sister catch Tajay. But then they see Anna on the camera and do everything. But because they want to catch Anna, but Anna hide out and not show herself, my sister hold on for my son and put my son in a jail and say my son must make my daughter come because she want police to lock him up. You understand? So because my son not talk, no matter how them a grill him down a station, my son not talk for his sister. So my sister now, because she have link with the police, the police they hold on for my son and have my son down there until me pay her back the whole of money for the glass doors. The first time he ever got jail. The first time.
And that I art where Meka did go. Meka tell.
Yeah. I remember saying me not the far from them, load them there so.
My sister have one big college where they do art down there. And there's some Meka go. And there's some Anna go. You understand me? Tajay, you did go there one time to know so?
Yeah.
You understand? And there's so they study art down at my sister's school.
But she should have come on live contact that because you see, I'm a boss send me to them, I need the seat.
Something now,
I'm a boss send me to them, boss I say yo, me need to go fix up that. You see me, cause me I deal with my boss money. You see me?
Yeah, but why not add up? Why not add up?
So then what on for him? For your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah, me mute it. Me know why.
Mommy, I need to go get your things there, man.
A long time that them don't talk about story. Make it pass. But Anna should have contact them thing upon life. How are Meka?
And I need to go fix in life. I went. So where Anna there? Me say you move out or something.
Yeah, no, the conversation, I'm on nobody.
Alright. Since you don't want to tell him, you tell him. The red boy did fling her out and he looked like him take her back in.
Oh, okay. So, okay. So, Odien, what? How will you see upon like you not get the result and thing?
I there wait for the number father. You see it? It look like an Odien picnic. You see it? What you think?
Me Odien picnic.
Me strongly believe it's an Odien picnic, now, bro.
Me know say audience picnic.
What you think about it, Meka?
Red and some freckles and he brown.
Meka, what you think, Meka?
Not me, I didn't sit here. No, I'm not talking about nobody.
The picnic more if you look like Odien.
Yeah, man.
Now look for Odien ear, look for Odien ear and look for the baby ear. Look for.
So we red and trim for. Mrs. saying trim. So man do try look like
yeah, he might try look like the picnic. Book like Jagger, you know see have sense. He might try look like the picnic, bro.
That's clear. I'll black out in here.
Yeah, I'll black out in here and I try black him skin and so.
Like God, you need to say jacket now.
Now what do you see, boy? What do you miss? What do you make a wall time and see boy I try buy. You know a bleaching cream for make you get black and that the boy try get black for try. Yeah. You think he's smart. But we are him no say nothing pity that. I hold you pity.
Oh my God, you didn't know say a black bleaching cream there. Let just stand up in the sun.
May I echo?
Mommy, where they pan?
May I try to get a charge? May I link up back with you guys? May I charge and leave?
So what me not go for your things then?
Hold on, wait there. So Jagger.
Yo.
Yeah, so you go have man a deal with your mother's son.
And that's why me I try ask her what go on. Because me will just not go work and come for you know.
Yeah man. Hear more you do, Jagger. Cause I need the right this way, you know. And police are talk and bag a thing about her, you see it? So we don't want you fix things, you know?
May I come down?
Annie, how are you there? How are you there, Annie?
You can't get the things there.
Me there Aki walk.
Yeah, so Jagger, we don't want you to fix things with police. So think you can't have no man to do them other so bro. Me not run them game there, bro.
May I come down?
Look like he cut off. I'm going to call him.
May I come down?
Yeah, I get the things them.
Listen.
I get the things them.
Yeah. One lady, here just a lady, mother says she make me get me things them. So me I take me things them and come down. And the lady here so give me money. Here just a lady give me money. So make me alright. Now come down.
You want the passport? The passport is important.
I passport is my problem. But the lady, as I say, me I go up there. The lady I go up there. Me just take up a bag. So we take up everything and come down. Me just send me a full charge the phone so when me come, you guys can see when me in at the bus and so. Guys, stop kissing the teeth. Now why could I believe so me now go home?
Because
Go back.
What do you mean by so long? Go and go drink some water and come back on the live.
You know, I waste the time, come up there, go back, you know.
No, Tajay, me I come down. Me I get the bag, me I get everything, me I get my passport and I'm coming home. Me I come down.
you make it sound like say I fly out and I come back to Jamaica.
No, that he will come up here. My son will come for me and me no want that Jaden. Me I come down, me I want to do the one thing I work. Hey, you touch?
Alright.
Alright, me I call you. Right? Tajay, sweetie. Alright, see girl, them over here.
Look at police station and done, but nobody they say not that big to go police station.
Why if you go station?
No, Meka. Why you want to get the police?
Police here, see the video, you know.
Why you want to get the police?
Like, no, me just want to get the things them. Me don't want your clothes.
We don't know. One police done involved already. We don't want no police.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I want to get the clothes them. Me don't take no money to things them.
Where is it, baby?
So me not take no money to things them, mommy.
Yeah, get the things, mama. Stop worrying. No police now go involved. We're good. And we have some real cool ladies there. So you have one her shape, not normal. Yo, we have one her shape, not normal. She just comes over with her. That me I tell you.
I'm seeing
You want to see her?
You love woman.
Turn the camera.
Woman, you like on salvation.
Yeah, stop. Don't watch your brother. Don't watch you.
Hold on, my friend asked me a question too.
Feel like me and Jack about.
Taj, I'm gonna pick her out then. Taj. Taj, you can see her?
Yeah.
You want she stand up?
Well, we can't get a 360 there.
Hey, babes, you can stand up a little bit, please?
No blouse.
I beg you. I know my son alone wants to see you. My child wants to see you.
Yeah, they want
She want somewhere with her shape.
No, I don't.
You love money, you know. You have money.
I'm just asking.
Show her no. Taj. He's up ahead. Hold up ahead.
360.
I love money.
Yeah, man, we have money.
Nice, thank you. But no, man, boy, still want to see shape, man. No, tap it. Stop it. Taj, you can manage that. Watch it.
Yeah, we can't manage that.
360 a month.
Sit down back. Let's show them. You like them? Ladies, my friend here say hi.
Woman, I like.
Give me a 360.
Woman, I like.
She's on tape, but woman, you like. Oh, sorry. Hey, guys, I'm going to go and charge, alright? Later. Jaden, later. Guys, later, me charge up. Later, me link on the back.
You're not going to walk.
Me link up on the back. Later, guys, me go charge. Me need to go away.
Yeah, wait for one car.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm going to keep my pound alive. No, I'm the pound alive, I don't know.
Free one charge.
You need to charge.
Come